Everyone will tell me. So today we'll ask few query and you need to answer. Okay. So first let me insert few records. One, two, three, four, five. So I'm inserting this many records. The main purpose why I was asking to join as a, so I don't need to accept anyone. Automatically you will enter. If you will use that email ID, I will send meeting invite to everyone. So here I will go to SQL and I will run all this insert query. Okay, so this many record inserted. Okay, we have this many record. Okay, now I want to fetch all the record. Okay, having roll number 2. So can anyone tell me what will be query? So just everyone write query and send me in chat. Okay. I want to fetch all the records. So how many records we have? This record having roll number 2, this record having roll number 2, and yeah, we have only 2 records. So what query I need to write? So I will able to retrieve all the records having roll number 2. Everyone need to write query and send me in chat. For one more minute and we'll see how many people will have given correct answer. Okay, I'm getting good response. Yeah, so most of you answered correctly. Let me see who has given Sujit. Yeah, Sujit answered correctly. Then where roll equals to 2, not -2.
It's a typo.
Balaji. Yeah. Select star from student where roll 2. Yeah, most of us answered correctly. Okay, now I want to write query. Here it should be space. Okay, it's Pavni. It should be select, then space, then star, then from. Okay, like you can follow first one. Each one which looks very good. So this will be your query. Okay, so you will get all the student having roll number 2. So I want all the student having roll number 1 to 3, and they should be in class either 1 or 2. I want all the student having roll number 1. Okay, let me go step by step. That will be a bit complex. Okay, let me go step by step. So now, what all records we have. Let me put another query, simple query first. So I want to retrieve all the information, all the students having roll number greater than or less than 3. I want to have all the students whose roll number is less than 3. Okay, so what all records will be there? First record, second record, sixth record, seventh record, and 11th record. Okay, so what will be query? Retrieve all the information, retrieve all the records having roll number less than 2.
Is it less than 2 or 3?
Less than, okay, 3, yeah, 2 or 3, anything fine.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Select start from student where roll number less than 3, less than 3, less than 3, less than 2. Fine. This one is in greater than 3. No, this is not correct. Mahant, your query is not correct. So are you clear with this? This will be syntax. Select start from student where roll number less than 2 or 3, whatever you want. Not this one, in greater than 3. Mahanto, are you clear? Gaurav?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, here I can see after 3 you given comma, single inverted comma. That single inverted comma should not be there. Vamsi. It may be typo, but this comma should not, single inverted comma should not be there.
Okay. It is not a typo mistake, sir.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that should not be there. If you are using any string value, then 3 will be before 3, after 3 it will be comma. If it is a string value.
Okay.
But it's
Okay.
an integer value, so there will not be any comma.
Okay.
Yeah, so I can see almost except 1-2%, everyone has answered correctly. Okay, now let me make it a bit complex. Simple one everyone learned. So let me make it a bit complex. Okay, I want to retrieve all the students who are in class 1 and 2. I want to retrieve all the student information, all the students record who are doing study in class 1 and 2. I want two query for this. Okay, we have gone through two way of query. Like if you know both the query, you can write both. If you know only one, you can write only one. So again, my question is, I want to retrieve all the students having who are doing study in class either 1 or 2. Class 1 or 2. Let me start from first. Class in 1 comma 2. This one looks good. Yeah, correct. In 1 comma 2, correct. I'm not sure, this query should not work. Let me try, but this should not. Or will work, but within 2 clause it will work, not in this way. But still, I will double check. I haven't used. Or will work within 2 clause, but within 1 or 2. Right, it's an incorrect one. Either you can write like this, class 1.
Hello. Class spelling
Yes.
is
Sorry.
class spelling is wrong. I think it's SCLAUSE.
It's only, what is wrong? CLASS. What he did. It's correct only. No? If you want to use odd, then it will be class 1 or class 2.
Yes, sir.
You can write like this, not class 1 or 2. Class 1 or class 2. This should be correct syntax. Uh, Student doesn't exist. STUD. Okay, let me write it properly. Here, class equals to 1 or class
two.
equals to 2. Okay, so we got all the students. This is the first like syntax. This is one way of this. Can anyone tell me another way? Let me see in chat. Okay, I think many people already used in 1, 2. So this is another syntax. So everyone did correct. So let me take first one. In your case, whoever given this, so you are missing. Not sure this can work, but there should be space and all. Yeah, you can see there is error. So after select, there will be space. Let me check. Previously, there was error in above line. Okay, without a space also it will work, but just to make it more clear, use space and all. Select start from student where class in 1, 2. Okay, so this is another way. Student doesn't exist. Everyone go on mute. If you are not speaking, please go on mute. Okay. So we are getting this. So there are two syntax by which you can get. One is either you can use class 1 or class 2, or you can use in clause. Okay. Okay. Now I want to retrieve all these students who are not in class 1. Okay. So far we see they are in that where clause, whatever given. Now I want all the students who are not in that class. Okay, so I want to retrieve all the students who all are not in class 1. So syntax will be, for this we haven't done. So let me tell you syntax for not equals to will be like this. Okay,
Class equal
then
to 2 पे solve कर रहा है.
it will give you who all are doing study in class 2 and 3. Okay, so how to write not equals to like this. Everyone clear with this? Okay, now let's do some practice for delete query. Okay, I want to delete those having to 2. Everyone write the query. I want to delete all the students having roll number equals to 2. Not also many people know. It's good. I want to delete all the students having roll number 2. Okay, so most of you have answered correctly. Okay, let me take anyone and let me run this query. Delete star from student. This one. Delete from student where roll equals to 2. So, Pavani, like you got what you did here. Here in delete query, we don't use to give star and all. We don't need to mention column. Okay. So it will be delete from table where roll number equals to 2. And you will get warning in this case. Okay, just click on OK. Only class name, like table name is case sensitive, it looks. Okay, 2 row affected. Now we'll see once we will do browse. So here we have only those students having not roll number equals to 2. Okay, in this way, you can write delete query also. Okay, today we will do practice of few more query. Okay, and then tomorrow I will show you to perform all this operation without writing query. Okay, so in MySQL or like PHP MyAdmin, you can generate all the query and everything without like using drag and drop option also. Okay, that I will teach you tomorrow. Today, let's do more practice on query part only. So you will be a bit more handy with query. Okay, then I will show you easiest approach. But at this moment, my intention is to teach you query also. No matter it's a bit difficult, but still you should learn. Okay. So I will open this W3 school square. Okay, we'll take you through important query and then we'll do practice. Okay. So this distinct we use, okay, this distinct keyword we use if we have multiple records, okay, and if you want to remove the redundant data, okay, let's say here if I write select start from student. Okay, so we have this 9 rows. It's loading, let it load. What happened? What I did? Oh, I executed delete query. Okay, no problem. We have this insert query. Instead of select query, by mistakenly I executed delete query, so all rows got deleted. So let me insert all the record again. So
Sir,
here,
we
if
can't
I
do undo here, sir.
undo option, I need to check on this particular cloud they are providing that or not. That I need to
Oh.
check. So here we are getting all the record. Okay, what I want only like distinct. So distinct you can do on record basis also, or you can do on any column basis also. Okay, I want only those record having distinct roll number. Okay, I don't want roll number having 2 students having roll number 111 or 3 students having roll number 1. Okay, so what you can do here, you can see if you apply this select distinct then column name, then it will give you only one value with only one record with that. Okay, let me show you, that will be more clear. At this moment we are getting this, and let me create duplicate of this. This is the complete set of data. One result we will see direct result, and another one we will see with distinct. This is the direct result without distinct. Select distinct. Let's say we are taking based on roll number. Select distinct. roll from okay. So here you can see what all different roll number we have. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, and we have 5. Okay. So what it's doing, it will check, means if you will have repeated roll number, like you have roll number 1 as 5 times, you have roll number 2 as like 7 times. So it will not give you roll number 2 7 times. It will give you only 1 time. Okay. So if you want to find distinct value of any column, you can do distinct for a record also. But if you want to do distinct of any column, then syntax will be this. You want to see for that particular column how many distinct, means different value are there. Okay. If you do distinct for like first name, then tell me how many records you will get. If I will do select distinct first name from student table, then how many records we will get?
One.
One. Since in first name only we have distinct value Kumar. Okay. If we will do distinct on this registration ID, how many records we will get? 11. Since we have 11 distinct registration ID. Okay. So distinct keyword, what we are like learning here, same distinct keyword we have in Mulesoft also. When we will learn database, there also sometime we will have multiple record, and if you want to find unique record, then you will use distinct keyword there. Okay, that I will teach you there, but concept is same. Okay, here also we want to retrieve distinct record, and there also we want to do distinct record, and syntax also will be very similar. Okay, so for distinct we are good, we can do. So select we did, select distinct we did, where we did, and or we already did. Okay, when you will use and when we will use or, can anyone tell me?
Both conditions satisfied and any one satisfied.
Anyone must satisfy or nothing has to be satisfied. No.
Yeah. So if let's understand again. So yeah, your answer is correct. So if you do here, so select start from student, where to write any condition we write where. Okay, where roll equals to 1 and class equals to 1. So what it will do, it will check how many students are there having roll number equals to 1
In class 1.
in class 1. Okay, so we will get 1 student here. Only this student having roll number 1 and class 1. Okay, but if I will give roll equals to 1 or class equals to 1, can anyone tell me how many records we will get? If I will put select start from student, where roll number equals to 1 or class equals to 1. So how many records we will get? And 3 records. Okay. This one will be tricky question. Okay.
5.
I know 90% people will give incorrect answer.
7.
Okay.
5.
5.
Okay, just put in chat. Okay, let's see how many people will give correct. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, D, 5, 7. So anyone else typing? No, it looks everyone. So let's see here. Okay. So this one, as I mentioned, like this one is tricky one. So you should keep concentration. So what I mentioned, instead of and I will use or, then result will be 7. Okay. Why it will be 7? So let me explain you. What was our query? Or class roll number equals to 1 or class equals to 1. So here we have roll number 1, class also 1, both condition true, so true. In case of or, any of these conditions should be true. To get the result, any of the conditions should be true. So we have first condition true, so it worked. Okay, then second, roll number equals to 2, it's failing since our query is roll number equals to 1. So this one is false. Okay, let's do testing here. Roll number equals to 1, class 1, both condition true, so definitely it will come. First condition, roll number equals to 1, no, fail. Second condition true. In case of or, any of the conditions should be true. So second condition is true means this record will also come. This will also come. For this also first failed, but second is correct. This also, this also. So we have 5 record from here. Now coming to this, roll number equals to 1, true, and this one is false. In case of or, any of the conditions should be true, then you will get that record. So first is true, that's why we will get this record also. For this record, first is also wrong, second is also failing. So this will not come. For this also both wrong, not come, not come, not come. And this one, first condition is true and second is false. As I mentioned, for all, any of conditions should be true. So how many we have? 5 records here, then 6 record this one, and 7th record this one. Everyone clear with this or not?
Yes.
Anyone has any doubt? You can ask quickly.
No.
Okay, fine. So distinct, I hope everyone clear now. Okay, and or not also clear, order by. Okay, this is also very good. This we don't use very frequently, but yeah, we use this. Okay. So in order by, what we do? Okay. In order by, what we do here, you can see there are many records here. Okay. If you want to display this record based on some order, okay. Let's say you want to display based on the roll number. Here you can see first record is coming with roll number 1, then second is 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this one is coming for again 1. But you want to display all the 1 first, then all the second, then all the third, then all the 4. You want to display based on the order of roll number. Then what will happen? Okay, let me run this here first. First, what I will do, I will do select start from student. So if you will do this, then you will get all the students having roll number 1 to 5, then 1 to 5, then 1. Now what I will do, I will add here. Okay, so let me go through order by this. So what I will do, order by role. Okay. Now if I will run this query, so you can see here. First, we are getting all the students having roll number 1, then all the student having roll number 2, all the student having roll number 3, like that. Okay. So what it will do, it will sort the record in order wise. And whatever column you will give, it will sort based on the column. Yeah, hello everyone. Just give me 2-3 minutes. I got power shortage. My laptop is not charged. Let me see how to connect with inverter. Just give me 1 minute. Connected with.
De Ganesha.
So I'm back, but let me check what about our recording. Recording is going. Yeah, fine. So let me share my screen again. So everyone can see my screen.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we were like seeing order by. So hope everyone clear with this order by syntax. Okay. Now insert, we already gone through how to insert query, that we already know. We already did practice for this. Delete we already did. We haven't done anything for update. Okay, so we'll work on update. Okay, update is also very simple. Like here, we have this many records. Okay, what I want to do, I want to update like we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 now. So what I can update. Okay, so what I will do, I will change the first name of this student. Okay, this student having registration ID equals to this. I will change his first name from Kumar to Mule. Okay, or I will change first name as a developer from Kumar to developer. Okay, so what will be query? Syntax we can do copy from here only. You just need to adjust the syntax, or you can write by following this. So syntax will be, you can see update, then table name. So we will write same thing, update, then table name. Table name is student. Okay, then what you want to update? Okay, I want to update name, first name. Okay, so first name, date, table name, then set. Set is again keyword. Set first name, this column name equals to what I told. I will put as a developer. Put it single inverted comma. Okay, then here, okay, set this here registration ID equals to registration ID equals to reg. Let me copy from there again. 005. Let it be for now. So syntax will be update table. Okay, sorry, update table name, then set which column you want to update, then column name, and then value, what value you want to update, this value. Where, what is the condition, which record you want to update. If you will not put this where clause, total x, if you will not put where clause, what it will do, it will update first name of all the records. Should be so. If you go here right now, first name is Kumar. Now you can see for all the records, first name is developer. Okay, so I want to update. Let's say now I want to update first name with Kumar and then last name as a Mulesoft. Okay, only for this record. I don't want to do for everyone. I want to do only for this one. So what will be syntax? Update table name, set first name equals to Kumar, then comma, last name equals to Mulesoft, where registration ID equals to. So what it will do, it will update only this particular record where registration ID is this, and first name is this and last name is. So what it will update? It will change first name to Kumar and last name as a Mulesoft. Click on go. Then go here. Click on browse. You can see here only this record. Now first name is Kumar, last name is Mulesoft. Everyone clear with this update query? Any doubt on this? You can update one record, two record, and multiple record also. You can update one column, two column, and multiple column also. So there will be comma in between. You can see here, this is the first column I want to update, and this is the second column. And in between, we have this comma. Okay, and this is the condition where clause condition, and this is the table name. Okay. Now following this query, everyone tell me, I want to update all the students in class 1 with city equals to Bangalore. Let me send you this query first in chat. Okay. This is the query. Let me send in chat. Just for your reference. And my requirement is, I want to update all the students in class 1 with city as a Bangalore. Right now, all the students having city equals to Kolkata. I want to update all the students in class 1 with city equals to Bangalore. Let me see in chat. Can see many answer. Let's start with first one. Who answered first? Balaji. Update student set city equals to Bangalore where class equals to 1. Yes, correct. Set student set city equals to Bangalore. This one is not correct since you kept Bangalore without single inverted comma. So this query will not work. Narendra. This is string value.
Okay. Yeah, I will keep it in the
Student
quotes.
set city equals to this where clause. Yeah, this is correct. One set city equals to Bangalore. Here you given one additional comma. This comma is not required. Vamsi.
Yeah.
If you have multiple column, then you need this comma.
Okay.
This
That
one is
class
incorrect.
equal to 2 typo mistake, sir.
Yeah. And this Bangalore should be in single inverted comma. This one is correct. This one is incorrect. If you will do this, then what it will do? It will update all the records. Okay, since all the records having city equals to Kolkata, but I want to update only for student having a in class 1. Okay, so this will not be correct syntax. Haritha, are you clear with this? Okay. Yeah, so like most of you are given correct answer only. So first one, this one. Let's take this one. Update table set city Bangalore where class equals to 1. Okay. So this one is correct only. So only 5 row affected. So we can check here. So for this row, we have city equals to Bangalore. So in this way, you can write update query. Then delete we already seen. Okay. We have many things, but I will take you through only important things. Select top, very rarely you will use. Okay. You can learn by yourself, but very rarely. Yeah, mean and max you will use. Okay. So let's say I want to find the maximum value of roll number or minimum value of roll number. Okay. So this you can write select mean or max, then column name, which column you want to find minimum or maximum value, then from which table and what is the condition. Okay. So let's do one practice here. So select mean and I want to find minimum roll number from student where class equals to 1. So I want to find in class roll number, what is the minimum number of what is the minimum value of roll number? Okay, so what should be it? 1. Minimum roll number is 1. Okay, so in this way you can write mean. If you want to change, you can change mean to max, you will get 5. Okay, other thing we will do in next class. Okay, so for today we are good. If anyone has any doubt till this point, let me know.